You guys, it's super windy out. We've got high wind warnings and alerts and gusting winds for the next few days, so we're trying to keep on top of it. In fact, Brian's getting out right now to run the little mini snowblower a little bit. Try to keep up with that snow drifting, because all you need is a couple of inches and you can get feet of snow. So, what's your opinion of the little bitty snowblower that could?
It worked really good with the hard packed snow underneath.
Yeah.
Because you're not shooting any gravel and it slides real good. So.
Yeah. So it does clear out this area pretty efficiently with the fluffy stuff, because we got fluffy stuff last night.
Yeah, there was a big pile. I mean, it was up to here, right here. So it's kind of powered through it.
Mm-hmm.
So I think if you let it sit for a long time.
I know. When I tried it out, it had been sitting for a week, and it was the most.
This hard pack underneath.
Yeah.
It slides really good, but otherwise, it's meant for asphalt underneath.
Yeah.
It worked really. I think it would work really good if you had a paved driveway.
Yeah.
Power failure.
We just lost power. We major winds.
Big windstorm.
Big windstorm. And it's not just today. It started last night.
It'll be through Friday, I think.
Yeah. So yeah, we have like a 3-day windstorm, and they were calling for gusts up to 75 miles an hour. And apparently it finally knocked over a tree on the power line. So we just lost power about 5 minutes ago. And trying to find all the candles in the house. But then we remembered we had these awesome LEDs.
Nice battery operated LEDs
With remote control.
Oh, bright flashlight, way brighter than your cell phone. Plus, you want to conserve your cell phone battery just in case.
Just in case.
Even though I did charge the portable battery pack.
Yeah.
But
Well, yes.
it's also some kind of hailstorm. Let's see if we can see what's going on out there. Wow, look at that wind. So there's some pellet snow hitting right now. You can hear it on the side of the house. It's very, look at it, it's crazy. The wind is just going all over the place. But yeah, it's not, it didn't call for snow, but there is this pellet snow going on. So it's like, almost like hail.
see the stars up there too.
I can't see them with the camera.
There.
What are you going outside for?
My bike.
Oh, you gotta go look for something in the shed? Okay. Have fun. Oh my gosh, look. Oh! That's some windy wind. But the last time we lost power, we lost it for almost 24 hours. So we're hoping that it's not gonna be that long this time. Hopefully it's on by morning. Well, it's the morning after the storm, and we did get power back on last night about 11 p.m. So, just about 4 hours without power. Not too bad. Plus, nothing else to do, so I went to bed at 9 o'clock. So really just came back on, and the TV turned back on, so I had to go downstairs and turn that off. But the wind has died down substantially. I mean, it's barely even blustery at this point, down to maybe 5 miles an hour with an occasional gust, but it is supposed to kick back up again today. So yeah, and I can feel a few little drafts. It's actually very cold this morning. It was only 10 degrees when I looked at the thermometer. But there wasn't a lot of snow overall. Of course, it's hard to say how much snow we really did get because it was so windy. It just pretty much blew all away. But that little bit of snow blowing Brian did with the mini snow blower, you can see it really helped us on the front steps. There's no drifting in front of the steps here at all. Just a little baby buildup underneath that first step. And so that little snowblower actually is a little bit useful for us. Almost no drifting in the driveway, but again, we only had about 1 inch of snow, so that I think we can expect that. But still a little bit breezy. It's going to be picking up a little bit again later today, but I want to show you guys what it looks like in the woods, how much drifting has happened in the past few days. So definitely some bare ground, and you wonder, where does all the snow go when the wind blows it? Well, I'll show you. Into the woods. And I do expect to see some trees down. Figo, are you eating poop? Of course, we did have a big moose come through yesterday. Here's the tracks. Big bull moose. And some bunny rabbit tracks. What are you doing? But you can see that the tracks are just undulating with the drifting, and all my foot tracks from yesterday are completely gone, wiped out. Vigo's tracks wiped out from yesterday, so they're fresh, brand new tracks. Yeah. Yeah, you. What are you doing? Yeah, Vigo stick. You got one? Oh my gosh. Guys, the wind is back. I think you can hear it. It is pretty brisk. And we've got 2 more days of it, so chill is below 0 right now, and I've got no gloves on my hands holding this camera. Brr. Pretty chilly. It's not a steady wind yet, it just comes and goes, but the gusts are pretty wild. Wah! Brr, that's cold on the hands. All right, going back inside, guys. I just wanted to share with you that the wind's back. So, yeah, we're gonna a couple more days of windy weather and hopefully the power stays on. We're definitely happy that our power company does really, really well with getting our power back on so fast. Can't believe that last night it was just out for 4 hours and there was multiple places in the county that were out of power. So just got a couple more days of this blustery weather. And then I think I'm gonna get into some kind of activities for this winter that are gonna be fun and kind of give me something to do through the winter time. And I'll give you a little preview. We're talking hydroponics. So I'm gonna be getting into some hydroponics this winter and we'll see what we can grow. So stay tuned. Later on this month, I'll be doing my first hydroponics video. But we're gonna stay warm, guys. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.